Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavor Station's coming to town. Hello, this is the Queen of England, and we're going to make strawberry jam. I'm playing. It's the King of England. Strawberry jam, baby. You know, you've got strawberries and you're like, they're sort of on the turn, and you're like, I don't know what to do with them. Boom, chop them up, make a nice jam. Might be a bit of a cold compote, I don't know, but I like to do it. Put it on crumpets, lovely jubbly. All you got to do is chop the top off, boom, bam. Discard any little mouldy bits, you don't want them in there. We're going to put a bit of ginger in there, I reckon. That'll be nice, lovely jubbly. I'm not really into the shop bought jams. They're a bit too sweet for me. You can't taste the strawberries. Into a pan, and you just want to coat these in sugar. Strawberries have a lot of natural sugar and liquid inside them, so you don't want to add no water unless it's needed. Toss them around, and you just want them coated. That's the right sweetness for me. You see what I'm saying? That's the pattern. Jeez, just coated, a bit excess. See it melting already. Look at that. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. On a high heat, look at the water coming out. It's caramelizing already. Lovely jubbly. Just give them a little mix, but not too much. Don't crystallize it. It'll go all weird into a caramel. You don't want them things there, blood. Trust me. See it there? The liquid, I ain't added no water. Organic, baby. Without further ado, it's the Flavor Chaser Christmas quiz! Red and white Santa costume was allegedly introduced by which drinks manufacturer? A. Dr Pepper. B. Pepsi. C. Coca-Cola. Or D. Lucozade. Drop a comment below with your answer and you'll find out at the end of the video, boy! Now back to the cooking. See how it's bubbling away? I ain't had no water, nothing. Just sugar, strawberries and ginger. Just simmer it away, reduce it down, and let the sugar just do its thing, blood. This will actually taste like fresh strawberries on your crumpets or your toast or on your scone. I know it's very British, but this is where we live. It's lovely. Look at it. We're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming. Take it off when it looks like that. See how it's just sticking to the pan? That's a nice oven glove. Put it in a cold dish. Put it in the fridge. Use it the next day, use it the next week. It'll last a good week, this. Nice and preserved. Lovely. Look, on crumpets. No messing about. It's tasty. I'm going to make crumpets, actually. Comment if you want a crumpet recipe. I'd like to make them. Peace out, mother. And the answer to the Christmas quiz is C. Coca-Cola. Holidays are coming. Now click that little box, subscribe, watch another video. You'll love it, I swear. Gee.